Hey everyone, I am Cindy from Clucking Around and I am your chicken check-in chick. And I have a couple of things I want to show you, some post-celebratory things that we did today, and I want to show you something I have in my incubator. Okay, so I have some eggs in my incubator, and these are going to be for a neighbor friend that lives just down the road. And she wants to try to hatch some eggs and have them for her girls to see and then grow a flock. She used to have a flock where she lived before, previous to our neighborhood, another state. And they had to get rid of their animals and things to move to Texas. So I'm helping her. This is exciting. I love being able to help people with chickens. All these girls are waiting for me to cut this watermelon, including the little babies. I'll get it cut for you in a minute, girls. Just gotta hold your horses. Oh, they're not very patient. Look, there they go. Oh, thank you, Mr. Pom-Pom. Oh, y'all like it. Watch it. So if you watched the video, did you see those cute chicken fireworks? Well, firecrackers, little bitty things, but it's so cute. My in-laws, well, no, my daughter-in-law's parents got those for me because they saw the chickens and they thought of me. So that is pretty cool.